Hello. I'm Rodney. We will tell you about the new topic, the Bayesian networks in robotics. A Bayesian network is a probabilistic graphical model that represents a set of variables and their conditional dependencies via a directed acyclic graph. Bayesian networks are ideal for taking an event that occurred and predicting the likelihood that any one of several possible known causes was the contributing factor. The nodes which represent variables in the Bayesian sense. They may be observable quantities, latent variables, unknown parameters or hypotheses. Edges represent conditional dependencies. Nodes that are not connected represent variables that are conditionally independent of each other. In general, any two nodes like 1 and 2, or A and B, then the two arrows join them to form parented node 3. Just like adding up with numbers when you were small, like 1 plus 2 equals 3. For example, I went to Bigwell Industries with my friend Fender. His Wonderbot's tailcopter is accidentally broken, as you can imagine. There are two ways, as you can see. Either Ratchet kicked out from Bigwell Industries, or someone shot with the gun by mistake. What you can know about this deleted scene? Probably not. Now, on continuing this topic, we are going to use the Boolean variables, up to two types. One is true, and the other false. There are two events that can happen. One is kick out, and the other gunshot. This acts as a probability, by the way, like in mathematics. The maximum value can allow up to 1. Suppose, if a true value is 0.7, then the false will be 0.3 remaining. This works in Bayesian networks. You can rename it into variables, like G for gunshot, K for kickout, and B for broken, as for the Wonderbot's tailcopter. The probability with variable VGK can be written as follows. Placing a vertical line to determine whether it is true or false. Hence we can write in this form, probability of B from G and K, times the probability of G from K, times the probability of K. This type of formula used for the cause and effect, or incidence, by the way. So I hope you have seen this video about the Bayesian networks. Like, comment, and subscribe now.